Hello guys! Today I came to talk about the formula of rotor. Lego technique 42037. Age category 9 to 16 by Lego. This is a pic of the off-roader. This is a more bigger pic. These are the functions of it: moving pistons, rotatable and anglable wheels, and shock absorbers. There are the cool exhaust pipes, as you can see here, the exhaust pipe. Cool stickers, like over here, and liftable carb and gear function. This is the rim of the wheel. And actually, this model is 2-in-1, which means you can build two models in one, like all Lego Technique things. This is the first vehicle, as you saw earlier, and this is the second model, which is a bit shorter, but better all the same, just like the first one. It uses its shock absorbers in the front, while this uses its shock absorbers vertically. This uses it horizontally and this uses it vertically. This has its exhaust pipes in the back. It uses the same components to build this. The lights are in the front, while in this the lights are over here. And the stickers are pretty much the same, but the way it is configured is different. This is the rim. It uses nice bolts, gear tech to turn the wheels, and it uses a nice comfy roof. And moving on to the real vehicle off-roader. Woo, look who's coming! It's the off-roader. Now you just have a look at this beauty. Okay, and it uses working pistons, 4 pistons in total. Cool stickers, a mud guard, 2 mud guards actually, headlamps, shock absorbers, which are more natural in nature because they work as they should, steerable wheels, which are controlled by the part over here. When you configure this part over here, the wheels turn. And the pistons move when the vehicle moves forwards or backwards. Close up of it. Now, of course, it has a liftable cage and an anglable seat, a cool steering wheel, a bumper sticker, and suspending shock absorbers in the front as well as the back. It has an unusual colored rim, green, and it uses rubber tires, just like a normal car uses, with all the cuts for friction and all. This is also water resistant, which means that it doesn't rust, break, or even the stickers won't wear off in the water. Even these shock absorbers are stainless steel. And you can see these exhaust pipes over here, which are nice. This uses its exhaust pipes in the back, the second one. But this uses its exhaust pipes in the front, as you can see. And this is a really cool vehicle, which is nicely suspended. Ooh, cool. Everybody who looks at this will start liking it. And this is the technology used in the car. Gears, nuts, bolts are used to make this. Nails, etc. You can see the tech used in the pistons over here, which they move when the wheels move at a constant speed and velocity. And this uses long bolts and short bolts, star bolts and plus bolts. This tire, which is rubber and of course flexible, just like in real cars, is more general purpose in nature because it would be cool and natural. And so, this is the front wheel, this is the side wheel, this is the back wheel or rear wheel, and this is the other side wheel. Hope you like this vehicle. This is a cool vehicle. For more information, go to lego.com/technique. This is 14,990 rupees. Thank you for watching. This is Lego Techniques Formula Off-Roader Review.